In this presentation, we will look at the UK as a constitutional monarchy. A constitutional monarchy is a form of government in which a monarch acts as head of state within the parameters of a constitution, written or unwritten or blended. It differs from an absolute monarchy in that an absolute monarch serves as the sole source of political power in the state and is not legally bound by any constitution. And so the sovereign monarch governs according to the constitutional rules rather than according to his or her own free will. In the United Kingdom, the rights and duties of the sovereign are established by conventions because the UK does not have a codified constitution. The present monarch, Queen Elizabeth II, is the head of state in the United Kingdom and has reigned since the 6th of February 1952. She undertakes official, ceremonial, and representational duties along with her immediate family. Now, as a constitutional monarch, the Queen does not rule the country. She's actually limited to non-partisan functions, such as bestowing honours and appointing the Prime Minister. Legislative power is exercised by the Crown in Parliament, by and with advice and consent of Parliament, the House of Lords, and the House of Commons. However, the ability to make and pass legislation resides with an elected Parliament, not with the monarch. Executive power is exercised by Her Majesty's government, which comprises of ministers, primarily the Prime Minister and the Cabinet. Whereas the judicial power is vested in the judiciary, which by constitution and statute has independence of the government. The Church of England, meanwhile, which is headed by the monarch, has its own legislative, judicial and executive structures.